Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the best leaf blower on the market, the WOLFMEN electric cordless leaf blower. If you're tired of the mess in your yard, patio, or driveway, this is the tool that's going to change your cleaning routine forever. The WOLFMEN leaf blower is a lightweight cordless powerhouse. Weighing in at only 3.8 pounds, this blower is incredibly easy to handle, even for extended periods. Gone are the days of struggling with bulky, gas-powered blowers. With this cordless design, you have the freedom to move around without being tied down by a power cord. It's not only lightweight, but the ergonomic design ensures comfort while you work. This leaf blower features an impressive 20-volt battery system. It comes with two 20V 2.0 Ah batteries and a charger, so you'll always have a backup ready. Each battery offers up to 30 minutes of runtime on low speed, which is more than enough to tackle your yard chores. And when you're done, simply switch out the batteries, and you're good to go again. What truly sets the WOLFMEN blower apart is its powerful motor. With a max airspeed of 150 miles per hour and airflow reaching up to 450 cfm, this tool is built to handle even the toughest jobs. Whether you're clearing leaves from your driveway or blowing dust off your patio, the WOLFMEN leaf blower can do it all. Its high velocity allows you to blow away debris quickly and efficiently, saving you both time and effort. Another key feature is the adjustable speed mode. It offers two different wind intensities, so you can choose the right setting for whatever task you're tackling. Whether you're gently clearing dust or blasting through heavy piles of leaves, you'll find the right power level for the job. The adjustable tube length also makes it easy to customize the blower to your height, so you don't have to bend over while cleaning. Assembly is a breeze too. In just a few minutes, you can install the two nozzles, pop in the battery, and you're ready to start blowing. No complicated setup or hours of instructions to follow. Just grab your blower and go. The WOLFMEN leaf blower isn't just for outdoor spaces either. It's versatile enough to clean your garage, driveway, or even your indoor spaces. You can use it to clear dust and debris from any surface, making it a truly all-around tool for cleaning. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use leaf blower, the WOLFMEN electric cordless leaf blower is your best choice. It's efficient, portable, and built to last, making it a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their outdoor spaces looking pristine. Don't miss out on this incredible tool. It's time to make yard work easier than ever.